where have you been with YouTube? Why haven't you been making videos on YouTube? Or what happened to your business? Or why haven't you been posting college vlogs?
Yeah.
What's up, Uni Gang? It's Kiara Unique, and I am back with another video. And today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Q&A. It's an updated Q&A because I have one previously from when I first started out on YouTube. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of Uni Gang as well. And be sure to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post and be the first to know every time I post. Also, be sure to follow me on social media. My TikTok and my Instagram is @uniquelykiara_. Stay connected with me. So let's get into, I'm looking at my notes, but let's get into this video. I keep getting a lot of frequently asked questions, and it's usually about the same things or the same context. Like, well, I'm gonna answer those. Those are the main questions that I kept persistently getting, even when I asked on Instagram. So I just basically summed everything up so that I can go ahead and explain it all to you guys, because I feel like I owe at least that to you guys. I was gone for a minute. I was gone for almost a year. It was 11 months. Darn near a year. So, question number one. Let's talk about, well, it's not really a question, but let's just talk about college. So I graduated college December 2018. So I now have my bachelor's degree in marketing. So when you don't see videos from college, it's because I'm not in college anymore. I now have a full-time job. So it's just, I got other things going on. But if the quarantine is, let out by June, as they're saying, or May, or whatever, then I will be going to the homecoming in October. So I will vlog that. That's only if things go right though. So stay tuned for that, because you already know how that's gonna go. Now, as far as my YouTube videos, where have I been with my YouTube channel? Well, let's just say I wasn't as motivated as I should have been, and my mind was focused on other things where I should have just kept going. And not only that, but my ring light had broke, and then that's just an excuse, but I'm just telling you what my excuses were. The ring light had broke, and then also my phone was messed up. So I could record myself, but the sound wasn't working. So I just took a break from it, and I really regret it, because yeah, I just really regret it. But it's okay. It is what it is. It's a new day. I'm back like I never left, as I told you guys before. Now, as far as my business, I get several questions about my business all the time. So if you didn't know, I have a cosmetics business. It's called One of a Kind Cosmetics. And I called it that because my name is Kiara Unique, and my middle name obviously really is unique. So it means what it is. So it's one of a kind. So I called my cosmetics One of a Kind Cosmetics. Now, I was just gonna do regular One of a Kind Cosmetics with a C, but then I was inspired by somebody, and then also not only that, but the C was taken, so I was just like, I'm gonna do it with the K. So then my name is Kiara, so it just all kind of went cohesive with one another. And then after I had my name and everything, I had got everything together. I launched, I think it was July 21st of 2019. So last year, July 21st is when I launched my business, and I had a launch party, and I did really, really well with sales. And then after that, I would just do DM orders and drop them off, or have people pick them up. But after that, I made a website eventually, and then they were ordering off the website. But then I started getting low on my inventory, and I didn't restock it as I should have. And then stuff with the quarantine started happening. So long story short, right now my business is just under construction. I'm in the process of revamping it and rebranding myself. So when my business comes back out, it's literally gonna come out with a bang. It's gonna be the full-blown thing. I plan to have everything done by March of 2021. And I will be making business vlogs. I know a lot of people like those because I watch them myself. So I will be making some business vlogs. I will just have to wait until I start getting more inventory. And I also can do like little like desk tours and stuff, or like show you guys what I had from my previous, the brand. I'm still gonna be the same name. It's just gonna be like a whole different color scheme, brand, like I don't know how to explain it, but it's just gonna be different. But I can show you guys what I had from when I first launched my business, just to give you guys an idea of starting out. And then I'll also show you guys the process of me revamping and rebuilding my brand as well. I did have a question that someone, actually two people had asked me this, my mom and then this girl, her name's Darty. Hey Darty, if you're watching. But they asked me, do you feel like having a website for your business is important when you first start out? Honestly, when I first started out, because I did the launch party, I didn't really need it, because you know that the launch party gave me the ability to let people know, okay, hey, she has a business. I try her gloss is bomb, blah, blah, blah. And then they get to talking about it, and then other people like, okay, let me go shop with her, and they'll DM me and they'll buy. But if you're not gonna do like a launch party, or you have a good support base, I highly recommend a website. Or if you don't have a car, or you can't drive to drop off and pick up for the items, then I highly recommend a website. But it depends on what your business is, because some people can run strictly off of the Facebook shop, and then just connect it through your Instagram, and they can literally shop by the click of a button. So it's just, you just gotta weigh out your options and go from there. Don't spend unnecessary money. That's one thing I do regret with my business. I got a lot of what I needed, which is great, but I went overboard, and I should have kept it like simple, so I could have made more of a profit. But this go round, putting my all into it, and I'm still gonna keep it like simple at the same time, so that I can still make a profit off of it. But I'm really excited for you guys to see my rebrand. And I guess we can call this the end of the video, because it's not, the questions I get are always constantly the same. So a lot of people might ask what I'm doing now. Now I'm working on, doing my YouTube channel, rebranding my business. I'm actually trying to go ahead and get back in school for my master's this fall, hopefully, if not spring of 2021. So I'm going back for my master's. I'm gonna do that online. I'm working full-time, and I'm looking to get a part-time job. So that's just where I'm at right now with everything. And then I'm also, hopefully by the end of the year, planning to move. So I'm gonna vlog all of the process so you guys can see. But I just wanted to keep you guys updated, and I want to thank you guys for, even when I wasn't consistent with my content, you guys were still watching, you guys were still giving me views, still commenting on my videos, and I will respond back. I saw that my videos were still being liked. So I really thank you guys for supporting me. That's definitely the push that I needed to continue to go. Because when I was coming back to YouTube, when I was thinking about, getting everything together to come back to YouTube, when I was looking through my analytics and all my comments, like, I was like, okay, yeah, they really obviously like my content, so I need to get back on here. So I literally I got back on it, because I was going to do a video like this to start off, but I was just like, no, I'm just going to give them the content they want to see. But I also feel like I still owe you guys an explanation, because I'm still getting the same questions, so that I don't have to keep repeating myself. Here's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of short and simple, but I just wanted to keep you guys updated and let you know where I'm at with my headspace. And thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know any and every time I post. I'm actually in the middle of doing a sugar wax video, but we'll see how that goes. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.